Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be testing and reviewing this Biutee, I think that's how you say it, nail stamping kit. And I am pretty new to nail stamping, so just keep in mind this is not the best nail stamping you're ever going to see. I've only done it like one other time, so I'm just going to be practicing along the way. So I will be stamping each color, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to see all the colors stamped. Also, if you have experience with nail stamping, make sure to leave some tips down in the comments below, and it would definitely help me since I'm a beginner, and I'm sure it would help other people that watch this video. I got this nail stamping kit for Christmas, but you can find it on Amazon for about $20, and it comes with 12 colors. Here I'm just showing you each color and how it looks in the bottle, and I apologize for the background noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but there is construction right outside my apartment, so I'm so sorry for that. I have a selection of nail stamping plates that I will be using, and some of them are new, so I'm just gonna peel off the film because I know how satisfying that is, so I'm just gonna film that. I don't think it makes much of a difference, but I am using gel polish with this nail stamp polish. So I'm just adding a black or white base, and then I'll be stamping and then putting a gel polish top coat on top of that. I am doing all the basic colors first, and then I'll get into the more fun colors. So this is how the black one turned out. Even though the white was being put over a black base, the white was still pigmented enough that you could not see through it. So I really like how pigmented the polishes are. I think that is a really great quality to have with stamping polishes. I actually decided to do 2 stamps with this gold just because the designs were kind of small. I think this kit comes with a really good variety of colors. Some of them are kind of shimmery and sparkly, and then some of them are flat with no shimmer, and it's just a really nice variety. I did see on Amazon that this same brand sells another set of colors with 24 different colors if you want more of a variety, and it's around $35. As you can probably tell, it is pretty messy, so I would just make sure to have paper or something underneath so you don't get paint on everything. Also, just make sure that you let the stamping polish dry for just a couple minutes before putting your top coat on so it doesn't smear. Another thing I do really like about this stamping polish is that it does dry really quickly, but that's also because you're just putting a pretty thin layer on, but it doesn't take long at all to dry. And here we have some pink cactuses. I think they are so adorable. There are now just a few more colors to show you. On this one, I did 2 designs again since they're so small. So I did a flower and then a cute little ice cream cone. I'm really loving this marble design, especially with this color. It is so gorgeous. And finally, this is the last color. I think I'm going to be using this one for Valentine's Day. These hearts are so cute. Just in case you guys were wondering how to clean up everything, I just use tape, or you can also use a lint roller to get the paint off of the jelly stamper. You don't want to use acetone because it is hard on the jelly stamper and can make it fog up. For the stamping plates and the scraper, I do use acetone and then just a Kleenex or anything to rub it off with. I do really like these nail stamping polishes, and I'm excited to use them in an actual nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!